Hi everybody, it's Tereese. I'm back with another video, and today I'm here to share my couple more entries into my IC challenge. Sorry. I received it over the weekend and only now am I getting around to doing them. Had a busy weekend with my family and yeah. So I'm here today to share my two entries. So my first entry is from Katherine Benjamin, and I'll have her link down below for everybody to go check her out and look at her entry. Isn't that pretty? Oh, I love it, Katherine. I love this saying that says, life is not measured by the number of breaths we take, but by the moments that take our breath away. Isn't that true? Oh my gosh, I love it. I love all the pink and all the pearls and the bling flower. That's a really cool bling flower. I've never seen those. And I love the flower here with the bling. So pretty. Thank you, Katherine. Her YouTube, and I guess her YouTube channel is Katherine Benjamin. Her birthday is April 12th. Her favorite colors, she loves all colors. Her style is clean and simple, and her favorite tool is the scoreboard. Thank you, Katherine. I love it. Thank you for entering in my challenge. And she also gave me some of these cute puffy stickers from Dollar Tree. I've never picked these up. Well, I've never seen these at my Dollar Tree. So that's probably why I didn't pick them up. Okay, next one up is from Bridget Murray. And look at her card she sent me. Oh my gosh. Is this a die? Because I love this. You know, for like birthdays, sisterhood. I just think this is such a cool, versatile die, and I love how it's you cut it out of. Oh my gosh, it looks like or feels like, I don't know, like newspaper maybe. So pretty. Love the butterflies and bows, and look at this butterfly here. Isn't that cute? And it says hi. And it says, Dear Tereese, thank you for having the challenge and letting me participate. I enjoy making the IC for you and hope you like it. I enjoy your videos and have enjoyed seeing the lovely entries you have received. Thank you. Yes, I have truly enjoyed each and every one of my entries. And this is from Bridget. I love this little envelope she made. And she inked it, or I don't know if it's chalk, but it has a really cool texture to it. Love the colors. Love this butterfly. He's so cute. And look at this. I love the dimension. I love the quote. Cinderella is proof that a new pair of shoes can change your life. Isn't that the truth? Oh my gosh. I just love it. And she has some pearls. And she inked the edge with gold ink, I believe. Or maybe a gold pen. I love the background. I don't know what you did to the background. I think there's washi tape in the back. And oh my gosh, it is so cool. Oh my gosh. Thank you, Bridget. Bridget is from South Carolina. Her birthday is December 2nd. Her favorite is paper and fabric crafts, cards, small wall quilts. Her favorite colors are turquoise, pink, red, gold, and glitter. Her favorite drink is sweet tea and coffee. Her favorite snack is chocolate candy and cookies. And her favorite style is, she loves them all. She doesn't have a favorite. Or her favorite is all of them. So thank you, Bridget. I love it. This is so, I'm so honored that I'm meeting new crafters, and I'm meeting, you know, good friends, and you guys are creating for me, so that I'm very honored. So thanks everybody for watching. Have a great day, and I'll see you in my next video. Thank you, Bridget and Katherine. I appreciate it. Bye now.